Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm making a Texas sheet cake, and it is delicious and it's super easy. What you do is you go down to the H-E-B and you pick you up a Texas sheet cake. It's got all the ingredients except you're gonna need a stick of butter, 2/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of sour cream, one large egg for the cake part. Then you're going to need, for the frosting, you'll need 5 tablespoons of butter, 5 tablespoons of water. And then it's got all the rest in here. You grease up your 9x13 pan. I did mine with butter. And you heat your oven to 350. You don't need a mixer. My butter right now is in the pot, and I got to bring it till it's kind of a golden brownish color, and then I'm going to add the water and the cocoa. Then I have my cake mix. I've got my egg beaten up. I got my 1/4 cup of sour cream ready to go. So if you're lucky enough to get you a H-E-B next door, this is the best Texas sheet cake I've ever had. Bye, y'all.